Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. No split peas, no problem, because today we will be making aloo or potato roti. This is super moist, extremely delicious. Alright, it is so tender. Look at that, guys. If you guys are new to my channel, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. So first thing what we will do is add our potatoes to some water with garlic, salt, and parsley. Allow this to boil until it is nice and tender. Then you are going to remove and place in a nice clean bowl. These are the rest of the herbs, guys, and they will be listed in the description box along with the measurements. So now we're going to mash that until it is nice and smooth. Then we are going to add the rest of our herbs here. Continue to mash and season the potato well. Alright, you can also season to your likeness and taste. So to make our roti, I'm just adding some baking powder, whisk that in, and I am going to add some salted butter. Alright, I'm not using any actual salt here. The measurements and the instructions, guys, will be in the description box. Now we are going in with our water, and we are going to pull this dough together until it forms a nice ball. Looks absolutely amazing. Alright, so now what we are going to do is divide our roti into equal parts. Alright, I did also make some potato cheese balls the same day, so guys, look out for that one. So we're going to fold that in. I just used about 1 scoop. Alright, we're going to fold that in nice and neat. Looks absolutely amazing. Then we are going to roll that out. Alright, let's be gentle with it because it is really delicate. Then we're going to oil a flat pan or a roti pan if you have one. Then we're going to oil the top lightly, allow that to cook. And then we are going to flip. Look at that, so amazing. You guys are going to love this one. Alright, allow it to cook on both sides for about 2 minutes in medium-low heat. Alright, then we are going to remove. You can eat this as is, guys. I had mine with some spinach. It was so amazingly delicious. So thank you for spending the time with me today. Do have a fabulous day. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.